Hello there and welcome to the 15th episode of The Daily Shed. Back from vacation and ready to share some more stuff with you. So today I wanted to share what has become one of my favorite flamenco techniques to use. And it's really from flamenco rumba, which is the very danceable kind of offshoot of flamenco. If you've ever listened to the Gypsy Kings, you'll definitely hear this kind of thing going on. And also, Rodrigo y Gabriela uses this quite a bit. So I'll just do a very simple chord, and just a A minor, a bar chord. And what you're going to do with your right hand, and this is best if you do have some nails, at least a thumbnail, preferably at least a little bit of a thumb and or a middle finger and or ring fingernail. First thing you're going to do is a downstroke. And you can do this with your middle finger. For me personally, my index finger doesn't work as well, but you can try that also. Usually I do my middle finger or a combination of middle and ring finger down and follow it up with a thumb. And the thumb is just, I have a pretty big thumbnail. So down, down, that, down, followed by the thumb, and then up with the thumb. So down, down, up, down, down, up. So that's the basic technique. And you got to keep your hand really loose. Once you can do that, once you can get down with kind of a regular rhythm, then it's pretty easy to play really fast. To create this kind of constant rhythm. And again, all I'm doing is just down, down, up, down, down, up. So to practice, I would just get used to doing these solid downstrokes with your middle finger or ring finger or a combination of both, followed by the thumb. Make sure they're very distinct, and then try the upstroke with the thumb. And gradually just practice getting used to that regular motion. Eventually speed up those triplets like that. I find it really useful, even just for ending a line. Like that, just kind of throwing it in there. Alright, hope this has been useful to you. Please share any comments or questions below, and as always, thank you so much for watching.